This week we're going to be doing volumes of revolution using the washer method. So the question is, consider the region made up of y equals x squared, x equals 0, and y equals negative x squared plus 4. Find the volume of the solid using washer method if the region is rotated about y equals 5. So let's first take a look at our region. So we have y equals x squared, which is going to start here and go up. And then we have x equals 0, which is just this line. And we have y equals negative x squared plus 4. So we start at 4 and we go down. And then we're going to be rotating about y equals 5, which is up here. So this is the region that we're rotating, but we need to know what this point is right here. So in order to do that, we set those two equations equal, and we have x squared equals negative x squared plus 4. We're going to find that this is true when x is equal to square root of 2. So now we look at the formula for washer method, and that's going to be the integral from a to b of pi times r, which is our radius outer, squared, minus radius inner, squared. And then we're going to have dx, or it could be dy, depending on where we're rotating. So now we just take everything and plug it in. So we have, we have the integral pi in front, and we know we're going from here to here. When we found that that was root 2, so we're going to go 0 to root 2. And now let's look at what our outer radius is. So we're going from this line, so our outer radius is going to go all the way down to this line, and our inner radius is going to go from this line to this one. So the max that either of those radii could be is 5. So our outer is going to be 5 minus the equation of this line, which is x squared. Square that, minus the biggest it could be is 5 minus that equation, x squared plus 4. And we're integrating with respect to x. Now notice that we're rotating about y equals 5 and we're integrating with respect to x. It's going to be the opposite when we use shell method in another video. So if you do this integral, you should get it to be, so you should be integrating from 0 to root 2 pi times negative 12 x squared plus 24 if you multiply all that out, and that's going to turn out to be 16 pi root 2. That's what you should get.